What's up, everybody? Hey, it's been a while since I've gotten a ride, so it's been a while since you've seen me ride. So, we're back on the 84 Sabre VF65 VF1100S. And the sun is setting, so this should be a great ride. We're gonna hit the highway here, make a quick run down the freeway, and I'm running with the unknown today. I don't even have my phone for speedometer, so that's a mistake. I also forgot my wallet, which I thought about going back. I also forgot something that I planned to grab, and that was something for my kickstand, because I believe where I'm going I need to park in the dirt, and this is a heavy old bike, and she's probably not going to do well with the dirt, and I don't know the parking situation, so that could be a problem. So I'm well prepared. I have a full tank of gas, and that'll get me riding all day, so we won't be running out of gas. That's all that matters tonight, I guess. So, jump on the freeway. There's a Cadillac dealership. Are they still going all electric? I don't know. Let me know in the comments if that's still the plan for Cadillac. But let's open her up. I'm gonna run right into the sun here. Or the sunset. Here we go. 5th gear. Now, unfortunately, nobody is going to know how fast we're going, except for the other cars on the road and possibly somebody with a radar gun. But if we just float with traffic, I mean, I'm behind a Cadillac, so what's it going to matter? But I figured this would be a great night to get the bike out. Parking is going to be tricky where I'm going. Going to see some fireworks. Nope, it's still June 28th, I believe. But fireworks will be happening. And I'm meeting my family. And see some fireworks. Maybe I'll take some video of that for you. It won't be part of this video because I don't know how to splice that in. But for now, guess we'll just fly along with unknown speeds. Fifth gear, we can pop into OD. Or not. Doesn't really matter to me. Overdrive. Oh, we're still in 5th. There's overdrive. Let's go. I think this bike could use some maintenance. What do you guys want to see? I don't think I've done the rear diff fluid, so I could show you how to do that. I'm not even sure if I've done an oil change on this motorcycle, so I could show you how to do that. Obviously, we've done tire pressure checks. I noticed one of my front fork seals might be leaking, so that might be something to try and clean out. I can show you. I have one of those little tools. Maybe we can try and clean that out and show you that. And getting a speedometer back on would be good. Oh man, shocks are terrible. You've heard that story over and over again. Oh, shocks are terrible on this motorcycle. Even highway bumps are harsh. Shake the poo right out of you. I don't know, it's just a great bike, but man, they weren't thinking about comfort. They were thinking about long touring. So here we are, flying along. I got about a mile to my exit. Should we take the road what we can? We'll take some road. We're still just going with traffic. And it's nice that we get to run into the sunset. I love a good sunset. There's a Tesla from Texas. Red Tesla from Texas, are you on YouTube? Are you watching this channel? I'm on an 84 Sabre, so we're not the same. Definitely not the same. Yeah, so I hope I can find a big rock to put the kickstand down on. I might try the center stand. We can definitely do that. Center stand might work in this situation. Luckily we have one as an option. All right. She's on fire. This is a pretty loud bike for what it is. It's all factory, all stock, but the 1100 it sounds really nice. Hopefully you can hear it from inside my helmet where your microphone is. Yep, we're gonna make it. I gotta make it before dark so that I can see fireworks with my family. And at least we're close. Going to the pond. I gotta remember this by memory. Remember this by memory. Not going by any maps or directions, so hopefully we don't take any wrong turns. It's lovely to get on a bike that just behaves for you. And you can trust. Often I'm on a bike that I'm repairing or working on and they're test rides, and you never know what you're going to encounter. But this old 84 Sabre just does it right. She is a power plant to be reckoned with. And I'll tell you, getting into the gears, getting into the acceleration is fun. She's not precision, that's for sure. It's kind of like cutting with a butter knife versus an X-Acto knife. She'll do it. Just might take her a little bit longer. Braking, accelerating, turning, handling. Yeah. Huh. Guess somebody wants to replace this. Alright, we'll stop for a second. Here we go. Alright, well, I see where I'm parking. Definitely going to be parking in the grass, I guess, somewhere. I'll find a spot. I think I already see my van. So yeah, I just got to find a spot that is safe for parking. Maybe I'll just park along the road here. As long as nobody wipes out my bike, it'll be fine. I'll see you guys later. And there you have it. Fireworks are done. And we gotta head out of here. Most of the traffic's gone. So, we're gonna just rock it on our own. My wife likes to follow me and be careful, make sure I'm okay. Not sure if she's following me or going the opposite way, so here we go. Look at all those people that were here for fireworks. They're still waiting in line, and we're on the road. We'll take the same route home. Go down here and turn right. let's put down my visor so I can see. Get some more light on the situation. I don't know, amazing fireworks. If you're in the Lancaster area, you should ask me where it is and I'll send you a PM. Following the traffic because they're all going the same way we are. Yeah, you get a rare sight of me wearing a jacket and gloves and long pants. That's very unusual for me, but hey, we're out here night riding, so better follow all the precautions. You should do it on every ride. It's only right. Night riding is very different than day riding. You can't see as far ahead of you. So I would just say be very careful. Alright, here we go. Hop in the freeway again. Let's see where it takes us. People, when it's dark out, they tend to get tired at driving. So you gotta watch them even closer. Because their eyes might be bugging out. They might not see you. Even in the daytime. But it can be even worse at night. I do like to ride at night because you see all the lights. You can tell what people are doing way ahead of time. It's brighter than during the day. I don't know. It's a cool experience. Should we tuck in behind? It doesn't really do much better on the... It does do a little bit better on the Sabre. The Sabre could benefit from a windscreen, but they don't look cool on this bike, so we're not going to get one. Always be watching everything. Watch behind you. Watch the guy to your left and the wall to your... the guy to your right and the wall to your left. You don't want to let anything to chance on a motorcycle. Too much can happen too quick. I always watch the guys back here because they might think, oh, I got to get over so people can get on the highway. And they do, and they don't even think about it. You got to watch these people because they might be getting on and thinking you're not even there. Like this guy, he's just going to pop over, which is normal and safe. But did he see me? I don't know. There's lots of bugs out here. I was getting a little congested here. What are we going to do with that? I don't like to weave in traffic. Like the more steady route you take, the safer you are. And I'm going to be getting off up here, so I guess we might as well just jump over here and ride it out. You don't want to hang too close to this guy because he might decide he had to get off. So the BMW from Virginia, I don't like to wait and see what they're going to do. I like to buzz past them. That looks like an Audi to me. Up here's a Camry. Alright, that's it. That's our night ride. Turn off our high beam, downshift. That was quick and easy. Now up here we can turn on red if there's no traffic. It's hard to look past this bridge though. Nobody there. Let's go. Alright guys, well, that was a fun night ride. Evening ride into the sunset. So I will catch you in the next one. Have a great day. Get out and ride. We're not at home fixing bikes today, so I will see you later.